to Shelly's Homemade, and today we're going to be making a Thanksgiving favorite, roasted Brussels sprouts. So I have some halved Brussels sprouts that's already been halved. You can take yours and you can get the whole ones and just slice them in half, but this is what I have and that's what I'm using. I have some chicken bouillon, guys. I have some onion powder and some garlic powder. I have some scallions, some bacon, some butter, and brown sugar. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our halved Brussels sprouts right into our pan, just like so. Then we're going in with a half a stick of butter. This is so easy to do. It'll be the best thing you had on your plate on Thanksgiving Day. One of the best things. One of the best things. I say the best thing because it's my favorite veggie. Like, I can eat them any kind of way. Like, this thing is amazing. I have some scallions here. I have some kitchen shears. And the reason I'm doing it with the kitchen shears, I just wanted to show you, like, you in Thanksgiving, you in cooking, you don't be having all that kind of time to be chopping and doing everything. Take your kitchen shears and do what you can do with them things. Make some time where you can find time at, this is going to give it a light onion flavor, not because this is mild in onion flavor, not too strong. And it's going to add magnificent flavor along with that. The bacon going to add smokiness in the back of your onion, of your Brussels sprouts. That brown sugar is not going to make it sweet, but what it's going to do is going to bring out all the amazing flavors. All the amazing flavors. That butter, everything adds flavor to your Brussels sprouts. And don't forget to get in there from time to time and mix up those Brussels sprouts while they're in the oven. Now add a little chicken bouillon, amazing. You don't have to add any other seasoning if you don't want to. You definitely do not have to add salt. The bacon adds salt, and so does, I'm going in with a little garlic powder, and so do that chicken bouillon. I'm going in with a little onion powder. That helps bring the flavor out in that onion and that scallion. That, and we're going to go in with our brown sugar. Now I'm going to use up this last little bit. Well, not even all of it, because you're just using a sprinkle. Not much, just a sprinkle. That brown sugar. And last but not least, the star of the show, fully cooked bacon. Now you can fry your own bacon up, or you can just get this fully cooked bacon, save you some time. Again, it's Thanksgiving. You're only going to need a couple pieces of bacon. You only need like well, these are small strips, so like about 3-4 slices of bacon, and this is like 5 strips. You just get it in there with your scissors and just cut that just like that. Try to tell you, it's going to be amazing. Everything mixed in there, mixed together. Chicken bouillon, bacon, getting that smokiness in the back. Oh, the little bit of sweetness from the brown sugar. All of that, absolutely amazing, guys. I'm going to get this into a 350 degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes, and it comes out, it's going to be amazing. Look at these beautiful roasted Brussels sprouts, guys. Look at those. The bacon, 25 minutes in your oven, and still piping hot. Crispy bacon. Brussels sprout. That's smoky bacon. My favorite vegetable, child. So delectable. So delicious. You're gonna want this on your Thanksgiving table. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. All new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like. Go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you notified every time Shelly makes these delicious videos or delicious recipes. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.